Hello everyone. Welcome back to our new video. Today, I'll guide you through how to make columns in Google Docs. If you've been searching for a way to create or add columns to a specific text or paragraphs on Google Docs, you've come to the right place. But before we get started, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. Now, let's start. To create 2 or more columns in Google Docs, first of all, open Google Docs in your computer web browser. Once you are in Google Docs, open the document where you want to add multiple columns. Before creating columns, first add multiple paragraphs to your Google Docs file. Now, select the paragraphs that you want to format into columns. Once selected, click on the Format menu at the top of the screen. A drop-down menu will appear. Find and hover over Columns in the drop-down menu. You will see 3 options: 1 column, 2 columns, and 3 columns. Click on the desired column layout, either 2 columns or 3 columns. Your selected text will now be formatted into the chosen number of columns. By following these simple steps, you can easily create and customize columns in Google Docs.